Hi friends, I welcome you back in my Easy Yoga Posture video series Sahaj Yoga. Friends, by now you must have realized that when you practice yoga, there are always three stages involved: going into the asana, sustaining the asana, and coming out of the asana. All three stages are equally important as all three together result into various benefits associated with it. You go into the asana step by step as per instructions. After attaining the final pose, try to remain in it for at least about half a minute. Enjoy the pose. Try to focus on your breath. Never hold your breath at any point of time. After you have sustained your pose for a desired length of time, try to come out of the asana slowly and gracefully in reverse order. If you come out of the asana abruptly, you will lose the benefits associated with it. Today I am going to show you Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Bhujanga means serpent. In this posture, we lie flat on the floor, face downwards, lift the body up from the trunk and throw the head back like a serpent about to strike. Let us see effects of Bhujangasana before doing it. Purpose of creating this posture is to imbibe the qualities observed in a cobra: determination, alertness and precision, which are most desirable for a sadhak on the path of yoga. This is a backward bending asana. Now let us see its technique. Lie on the floor, face downwards. Extend the legs, keeping feet together. Keep knees tight and toes pointing outside. Rest the palms by the side of pelvic region. Inhale and press the palms firmly on the floor and pull the trunk up. Inhale, lift the body up from the trunk until the pubis is in contact with the floor and stay in this position with the weight on the legs and palms. Contract the anus and the buttocks. Tighten the thighs. Maintain this pose for about 20 seconds, breathing normally. Exhale, bend the elbows and rest the trunk on the floor. Repeat the pose 2-3 times and then relax. After doing a classic pose, you can try the following variations. While doing the classic pose, you can move your legs apart. Stretch your spine further by walking your hands backwards, closer to your waist. You can vary placing of the hands as follows. First, you can place your both hands at the level of your ears and lift the trunk up. Remain in this pose for about few seconds, say 10 to 15 seconds, and then come down. Second time, you can place your hands near your chest and lift the trunk up. Remain in this pose for about 10 to 15 seconds and then come down. Third time, you can place your hands near your waist and lift the trunk up. Remain in this pose again for about 10 to 15 seconds. And while you're doing all these three variations, you should keep your legs together. After doing all these three variations, you will realize that level of the asana, difficulty level of the asana is different every time you shift your hands. Precautions for Bhujangasana are: pregnant women should not do this. Do not keep your body stiff. People who have had recent abdominal surgery must avoid this pose until the doctor advises. Patients suffering from ulcers or hernia should not practice this. People who suffer from acute neck diseases like spondylitis should avoid this. It should not be done if you have a severe spinal injury. If you suffer from migraine, severe headache, consult a doctor before doing it. So friends, practice Bhujangasana and become a determined yoga practitioner. Bye. See you in my next video.